Subaru Outback versus REV Hybrid full comparison. The Subaru Outback and Toyota REV Hybrid are two of the most popular SUVs on the market, but which one is better for you? Most people get this comparison wrong, so here's a detailed look. Starting with performance, the Outback offers a 2.5-litre flat-4 engine producing 182 horsepower, paired with standard all-wheel drive. It delivers excellent handling on rough terrain and a smooth ride on highways. The REV Hybrid, on the other hand, has a 2.5-litre inline-4 with electric motors, producing 219 combined horsepower. Its hybrid system offers better fuel efficiency, achieving around 40 miles per gallon combined compared to the Outback's 28 miles per gallon. Interior and comfort are key. The Outback provides a spacious cabin with supportive seats and a practical layout, while the REV Hybrid emphasizes a modern design with tech features like a large infotainment screen and multiple driver assist options. Cargo space is similar, though the Outback slightly edges out in rear storage. Off-road capability favors the Outback thanks to Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and higher ground clearance. The REV Hybrid can handle light trails, but excels in urban driving and commuting efficiency. Pricing is another consideration. The Outback starts slightly lower, making it a solid value for those prioritizing adventure and reliability. The REV Hybrid carries a premium, but rewards buyers with lower fuel costs over time and advanced hybrid technology. In conclusion, choose the Subaru Outback if you want rugged versatility and comfort, and pick the REV Hybrid if fuel efficiency and modern tech are your top priorities. Both are excellent SUVs, but your lifestyle will determine the best fit.